Today I'll walk you through how to download and install Microsoft OneNote on Windows 10 or 11. Even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher, by the end of this guide you'll know exactly how to get OneNote up and running on your system so you can start organizing your notes efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. You can do this by simply typing google.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Sure, this is your starting point for the download process. Once you're on the Google homepage, type OneNote app download into the search bar and press enter. This search will lead you to the official download page for OneNote. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The steps will still be the same. Now look for the link that says OneNote-download and install on Windows. This should be among the top search results. Click on that link and it will take you to the Microsoft OneNote download page. This is where the magic happens. Next, you'll see a button that says download. Click on it and the installer file will begin downloading to your computer. Think of this like receiving a package in the mail. It's on its way to you. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file, which is usually found in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the file to open it, and the installation process will begin. Just like unboxing a new gadget, you'll want to follow the prompts on your screen. Continue with the installation by following the on-screen instructions. This process may take a few moments, so be patient. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. When the installation is complete, you can find OneNote in your Start menu. Open it up and you're ready to start taking notes and organizing your thoughts. In summary, we covered how to download and install Microsoft OneNote on Windows 10 or 11. Remember, you started by searching for the app on Google, clicked the download link, and followed the installation prompts. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.